Alright, I'm going to show you how to grid a photo using a ruler. You're going to take your ruler and line the top of it up starting with 0 on the left side of your paper. Draw a line and mark each full inch, not a half inch, each full inch on both sides of your photo. Now that I've completed that, I'm going to draw a horizontal line connecting the dots from the left and right side of my image. Now I'm going to take my measurements on the top and bottom of my image going horizontally. You're going to see me move my ruler up to the 4-inch mark starting on the right side. That's because I only want to draw 4 inches of this image instead of 4.5 like I see it. Either way, I am still marking off each full inch with the ruler, and now I'm going to draw my lines through it, creating a grid. Now that I've completed my grid, I'm marking off that I only gridded 4 inches by 6 inches instead of my full image. I'm moving on to creating a grid in the blank space on the right. This is going to be the space I actually draw my image on. I'm using the same techniques as I did on the left, drawing a vertical line, marking off each full inch, and doing a horizontal line on the top and bottom, marking off each full inch. So my grid is now 4 inches by 6 inches. Now I'll just connect the dots I made, and this is going to create my grid. The next step is to label both grids. I start by labeling the top using letters from A to Z, and then I label the sides using numbers from 1 to whatever. This will help you when you start drawing. Now I'm going to start drawing in box A1, and I'm making sure box A1 on my photo and A1 on my empty grid are the same. And I'm just drawing an outline of what I see in that box. Now I'm moving to box A2, and you see me referencing box A2 on the image and on my grid to make sure I'm drawing exactly what I see. As you move through your grid, it's very important that you pay attention to what box you're drawing in, and you're making sure you're only drawing in the one box you see. Don't try to draw the whole image at once, just take it box by box. Continue drawing an outline of what you see in each box, any detail, and make sure you reference back and forth from your photo to your actual grid. You're going to see me X out boxes on my reference photo. I'm only doing that as a reminder to myself not to draw what's in those boxes on my grid. The grid method may seem to be a little hard, but it is really helpful when it comes to trying to draw an image just like you see it in a photo, and it helps you practice your proportions in drawing by sight. I'm going to show you how I paint using the grid method. I usually paint from light to dark, but here I'll paint from dark to light just because I'm not blending anything. I'm going to start with my blacks, moving my way from box to box, taking my time. If you ever need help keeping up with the values in your painting, you can number your value scale first, and then you can place numbers on your grid where those exact values go. That'll help you keep up with those values and let you work from color to color.